Think math.
Take the digit cards 1, 2, and 3 and build 3-digit numbers, using each digit only once. Asked to write them all down, most people produce something like this. 123, then 231, then 312, then 132. Wait, did I already write that one? Scribbling them down in no particular order, one of two things always happens. You miss a case, or you write one twice. A tree diagram shuts both mistakes out at the source. How does it manage that? The first device is order. A tree diagram fixes the hundreds digit before anything else. Everything starting with 1, then everything starting with 2, then everything starting with 3. Inside each bundle, it sweeps the tens digit from small to large. Follow a fixed route like that, and the places you have not visited are still sitting there in plain sight. Missing a case was what happened when you jumped around without an order. The second device is the path. In a tree diagram, one answer corresponds to one root from the root out to a leaf. Different roots land on different leaves, and the same leaf means the same root, 1 to 1, exactly paired. So the same answer cannot possibly appear at 2 leaves. Repetition is structurally impossible, which is why you never have to check your list against itself. Now read the finished diagram. 123, 132, 213, 231, 312, 321, 6 leaves. And here comes a bonus. Look at the branching at each level. The hundreds digit splits 3 ways, the tens digit into the 2 that remain, the units digit into the 1 left over. The branching is uniform at every level, so the multiplication rule applies directly. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, exactly the number of leaves we drew. So here is what a tree diagram really does. It turns counting in your head into following with your eyes, which leaves one thing to remember in practice. Decide the order before you start drawing. Smallest first, dictionary order, place by place. It makes no difference, so long as there is a fixed order. And when the branching turns out uniform at every level, you can skip the drawing and multiply instead. The tree is also the tool that shows you whether it is uniform. A tree diagram is not a drawing. It is a device that blocks missing and repeating. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.